Can you please get off my land for the winter?
I don't see your name anywhere. Therefore, it is.
I have been here for months, preparing for winter.
What's your problem? Why are you getting loud?
He has been trying to steal my spot for winter.
I have not.
Lots of commotion out today. What's your problem, friends?
Again, this one here has been trying to...
No, I have not. There is no claim to this place. I have also spotted this place for winter, and I'm going to stay here.
What's y'all problem you got?
This person is weaseling his way into my land.
Would you all be quiet?
Said it.